If you don't tell your money where to go, it will find its own way, usually out of your pocket and into someone else's. Money, left without direction, tends to disappear on little things that don't really matter to you in the long run. You'll end up wondering where it all went, scratching your head at the end of the month, wishing you had more control. But here's the truth. A budget isn't a straitjacket. It's not about restriction or saying no to everything fun. It's your plan for financial freedom, a tool that helps you say yes to what matters most. Think of it as your financial GPS, always recalculating and guiding you toward your goals, whether that's paying off debt, building savings, or just having peace of mind. With a budget, you're in control. You decide where your money goes, not your bills, not your impulses, and definitely not advertisers trying to grab your attention. Want to get out of debt, save for a house, or take a guilt-free vacation? These dreams don't have to stay dreams. A budget is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. A budget makes it possible to turn your hopes into real, achievable goals. It's the difference between wishing and doing. Most people drift through life financially, hoping for the best, but never really knowing if they're moving forward or just treading water. But hope isn't a plan, action is. Taking charge of your money means making a conscious choice to act, not just wish. A written budget is your action plan. It's your roadmap, your checklist, your commitment to yourself and your future. It puts you in the pilot seat, giving you the power to steer your financial life in the direction you choose. Every dollar needs a job, and you're the boss. You decide what gets spent, saved, or invested. This isn't complicated, just common sense. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Our grandparents lived on less than they made, carefully planning every expense. We can learn from their wisdom and do the same, even in today's world. Reject the lie that you can have it all right now with a swipe of a card. True freedom comes from making intentional choices, not impulsive ones. Take charge of your financial story. A budget is your first step to financial peace. It's the foundation for a life where you control your money, instead of your money controlling you. Start today, and watch your future transform. Let's talk about the zero-based budget. It's simple. Income minus expenses equals zero. Every dollar gets a purpose before the month begins. Think of your money as employees. If you don't assign them, they wander off. List your income, then your expenses, starting with the four walls. Food, utilities, shelter, transportation. Assign every dollar until there's nothing left unplanned. This isn't about having zero in your account. It's about knowing where every dollar goes. Planning ahead brings clarity and confidence. Ready to take control of your finances? Here's how to start building a budget that actually works for you, step by step. Step 1. Write down your total monthly income. If your income changes from month to month, use the lowest amount you expect to receive. This way, you'll avoid surprises and set yourself up for success. Step 2. List out every expense you can think of, starting with the essentials: giving, saving, and your four walls: housing, utilities, food, and transportation. These are your priorities, the things you need to cover first. Be as specific as possible. Write down the exact amounts for each bill or expense. Don't just estimate. Accuracy helps you see where your money is really going. Step 3. Add in all your other expenses, like debt payments, insurance premiums, entertainment, and anything for your kids. Don't forget those small, irregular costs that can sneak up on you. Review your recent bank statements and receipts to make sure you haven't missed anything. This helps you catch those forgotten subscriptions or occasional expenses. Step 4. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. Your goal is to get this number as close to zero as possible, so every dollar has a job. If you have money left over, assign it to your top financial goal. Maybe it's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for something special. If your expenses are higher than your income, look for non-essential items you can cut or reduce until your budget balances. This is where you make tough but important choices. Remember, these decisions are what set you up to win with money. Every small change adds up over time, and every step forward counts. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Celebrate your wins, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. You've got this. Most budgets fail because they're too complicated, filled with endless categories and confusing rules that make it hard to keep track. People often start with good intentions, but quickly get overwhelmed by all the details and give up. Others try to budget but end up making it so vague that it's impossible to follow. A loose list of bills isn't a plan, it's just a wish list. When you don't have a clear, specific plan, money slips through the cracks and disappears on impulse buys or things you don't really need. If you're married or share finances, it's crucial to budget together so you're both on the same page and working toward the same goals. Unity is key. The zero-based budget forces real communication and agreement about where every dollar goes. It's proactive, not reactive. You decide what's important before you spend a single cent. This approach gives you the freedom to spend without guilt, because you know everything is accounted for. And since life is always changing, you'll make a new budget every month to stay on track and adjust as needed. This habit builds confidence and a real sense of control over your money. Soon, budgeting will feel natural, almost automatic, and you'll find yourself winning with money, month after month. You can do this, even if you've failed before. It's not about math, it's about deciding to change. The journey starts with your first budget. It won't be perfect, but progress matters more than perfection. Each month you'll get better and more confident. Imagine a life with no payments, no stress, and the freedom to be generous. That life starts with a decision and a written budget. Grab a piece of paper or open a spreadsheet. Start now. It's time to win with money.